Going out for a little Sunday evening fishing trip here. A small lake, a beautiful spot. Try it here and see. Before we're done, we made some dough bait and we've got some boiled corn, which I added some black cherry Kool-Aid just to add a little color and a little smell there different. And this is Jello, strawberry banana, and bran flakes dough bait. It's been a long time since I actually used any dough bait, so we're going to try that. I really don't even know if there's any fish in this little city lake, but we're going to give it a shot and try. So let's get everything out and get baited up and see what we can do. Alright, I picked up some of these little rigs right here. They had treble hooks. I took the treble hooks off and put some of these little hooks on, and I don't know how they're going to work. They're made for store-bought dough bait, but we're going to try this. I don't even know what's in this little city lake here. We're going to try it. If say the hook's sharp, I just stick it in my finger. Put a few corns on here. It's been years since I actually fished dough bait on my own. I don't think that piece of corn was boiled very good. I didn't boil it that long. I soaked it for a couple of days. I'm going to do something like that. I put them on backwards actually, so my hook would be exposed more since I'm not using the treble. Little bitty sinker slide and 3/4 ounce sinker, I think. Can't remember. We'll give it a little shot and see what happens here. I think it's that deep. Maybe the water's deep enough to cover up my hook. We'll see. Let's do up another one. Alright guys, we got everything baited up. Just had a good hit on this pole. And that was it. Kinda hit it and quit. At least we know there was one fish in here, huh? Alright guys, we pulled up stakes down there and we're going to try it up here on the top lake. Got one bite down there, so try it up here and see what happens. Wife wanted some marshmallows, so we got to make the little welding rod stove work here.
This in there?
So she can roast a marshmallow. just a little simple version of a rocket stove is all this is, but real lightweight, easy to keep in the truck if you need a contained part, easy for cooking. Looks really, really good. Got your stick ready for your marshmallow?
Yeah, I got one. Okay, that ain't gonna break.
Okay, that's probably good enough in the firewood. I mean, it don't take much. You can have a
This is long.
big fire. You don't need that.
No.
Yeah. Except these things work really, really awesome. Hopefully we'll catch a fish up here. One little bite down there was not near enough. Seen fish jumping up. What? You kicking my pole? Goes, guys. Like I said, just a little tin welding rod box. Cut out. In a minute, the flames will start shooting out of there. There, guys, there's the stove at work. Great little lightweight portable stove that you can pick up out of the trash. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you can't catch fish, eat marshmallows. Eat. Oh, nobody seen that, did they? My stick broke.
It's too wimpy, wasn't it?
Oh, man.
Sorry. Great, I touched the stick.
She gave me the weak stick, and now I got it all over me.
I got the good stick.
Look at that.
Sorry.
Look at there, look at there. Oh, yeah.
This is what they need to look like.
No.
Right here.
You gonna burn
Who
it.
says who likes the black marshmallows and who wants the brown? Let us know in the comments.
I ain't gonna burn it.
Who wants the black and who likes the brown? Let us know in the comments.
Hey guys. Well, we didn't catch no fish, but that's all right. I do want to take the dough balls somewhere else and try them. It's one of my grandma's old recipes for dough balls, so for very long we're going to be making a video on that and showing you the recipe and how to cook it and fix it up. So, you know, that little lake, I knew I didn't have high hopes for it, but it was a good outing anyway, and got to see the stove. And that's what I was going to show y'all, the little rocket stove here, guys. This one's just a little welding rod box is all that is. I needed to cook my lunch at work one day, so I cut a door in it. Went back and did it again. I probably cut the door a little bit higher, but it don't take much to make a little rocket stove, guys. It just to heat your lunch, cook marshmallows on for the kids. Don't take much at all. So you can build one out of anything. So, like I was saying, guys, you can build a little rocket stove out of anything. It does need to be probably about 18 inches to 2 foot tall, so it's kind of a draft to work right and draw right. So like I said, and you don't take much fuel, a few little sticks of wood. You can throw some charcoal in there and heat up your food real quick. Like I said, if I went back though, I'd probably make the door, if I burn this one out, a little bit higher. You can put use a lot of things on it. You can put a little grill on it. You want to cook right over it. Use a stick. You can put a pan on it. I suggest if you're putting a pan on it, lay a couple of sticks up here. They'll burn up after time, but that way, y'all can see that you still got some airflow, so it'll keep drawing under there. So that way the fire can get under there a little bit. Like I said, they'll burn up a little, but that way you've got plenty of air draft, and that's what you want. Why they work so good. So, and then if you need to add fuel in it, if you can't get in that door, you can just take it up and drop some sticks. You can make one out of just stovepipe, any tin box, anything. Like I said, make sure they're probably 18 inches, 2 foot tall. That way they draw right, so your fire's going to work right on you. And this is so lightweight. I keep it in my truck for if I need to heat up lunch, cook something, or we go fishing, camping. It's just, it works so wonderful. But, then you can pick up them little grates at the store if you want to cook right on it. Again, if you're going to cook right on it again, your steak's going to cover up the whole thing. Just put a couple sticks under it, and that way it'll draw. So let me know what kind of stoves that you build. I hope this helps someone. Give an idea. You don't have to have a welder and all that to build one of these. Just anything that you can take some tin and cut a draft door in and go. But let me know what kind you built, your favorite kind, and what's your favorite food to cook on one. Where all you've used it at. I really appreciate it. Keep looking for that video too, guys, that like I said, we're going to put on about making some of the dough bait. We'll keep looking for that. It's getting to be fall, so we've got a lot of editing to do on some videos, so right now is a great time to be outdoors. So get outdoors and be safe and have fun. We appreciate y'all watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button, guys. And like I said, comment your favorite things to cook on these and what you've made one out of. We appreciate it.